Hello and welcome to the first automation framework section. In this project, I'm going to teach you how to create a framework using Cypress app actions pattern together with TypeScript, JS docs, and Mocha Awesome reporting. This framework is very popular and used across many companies and projects, so learning this is very important to your Cypress skill set. We will start from scratch with empty project, so again you will get everything step by step from complete basics such as project setup, over framework structure and functions, up to complete real-world end-to-end testing examples. I have already created an empty directory called Cypress Actions, but you can name it whatever you want. So, first step is to open terminal and type npm init, and if you pass it the flag of yes, it will automatically submit all the default values, which is completely fine for our project. So hit enter. And as you can see, package.json has been created and it contains all the default values. So let me close it for now. And step number one is to install dependencies. So npm install, and for our framework we need of course Cypress, we need Prettier, we need TypeScript, and of course we want to use Cypress Mocha Awesome Reporter. And hit enter. And again, downloading can take a little bit more time, so I'm gonna cut the video right now and come back after everything is downloaded and installed for the project. So everything is downloaded. You can see we had node modules and package.json log here, and if you open package.json, you should see that we have these dependencies for Cypress, Cypress Mocha Awesome Reporter, Prettier, and TypeScript. So next step, I'm gonna create a configuration file for Prettier. So create .prettier.rc file, and I'm going to put my configuration. And again, this is completely optional. Technically, if you don't want to use Prettier, you don't need to, so you can skip this. But I like automated code formatting, so I'm gonna set my own settings, which is also recommended for you. So I'm gonna set semi to false and single quotes to true, and save it, and that's it. Now we want to set up a TypeScript, and for that let's go to the root of the project. Let's create new file and let's name it tsconfig.json, and here we want to specify the compiler options and which files to include and exclude. Again, this is nothing special, you can just take it from the Cypress documentation. So I'm just gonna copy paste it here. Again, this is the default settings for Cypress and TypeScript. We want to target the ES5, we want to put into libraries ES5 and DOM, types are of course Cypress, and we want to include all the TypeScript files from our project, and we don't need to exclude anything. So you have two options, you can just type it like I do, or you can just copy paste it from the Cypress documentation. There is really nothing you need to do or modify with TypeScript to use it in Cypress. So let me just save it, and now we can just type npx cypress open to generate the folders for us. So as you can see, it's telling us that we are opening the Cypress for the first time. And now it has opened Cypress, so I can close it. And as you can see, there are some more folders. There is Cypress.json and of course the Cypress. So I'm gonna go here to the integration and I'm gonna delete the advanced examples because we no longer need them. And also I can take this to the spec and I can delete this. And technically we can also delete this directory. We can type our specs directly into the integration. So that's it. Our project is now ready. And in the next video, We can start with setting up the reporter.